If you have limitations on the physical space you use while creating content, whether you're dangling a key light over a desk, mounting a monitor to a tripod, or trying to capture a top-down angle without a massive C-stand taking up your entire floor, you need an extra set of hands. The SmallRig Magic Arm with Crab Clamp Kit can help with this issue. This magic arm is quite possibly the most set it and forget it piece of gear I have ever gotten, and it has become the silent MVP of my studio. SmallRig has built their reputation on making professional grade, affordable equipment, and this kit feels exactly like that. Industrial. The 22-inch articulated arm is constructed from highly quality aluminum alloy. It doesn't feel flimsy or plasticky. It feels like it could survive a drop onto a concrete floor without flinching. The crab clamp or the super clamp that anchors the kit is the real star. The jaw spans wide enough to grip anything from a round nightstand pole to the edge of a sturdy wooden desk. Also, the rubber pads inside the clamp ensure that you're getting a rock solid grip without causing any damage to your furniture. You might be tempted to go for the smaller 7 or 11-inch arm to save on a few bucks. Don't. The 22-inch length is the sweet spot for real-world utility. Those extra few inches give you the reach to pull your phone, camera, or light out from behind the monitor rack or to create a dramatic angle for a product shot that a short arm could not reach. The single lock-in level at the center, right here, and at both ends, is the magic in this magic arm. One turn of the knob loosens the joints, and you can move the arm wherever you want it. You position your gear exactly where you want it, whether it's an odd tilted angle or a perfectly flat plane, and tighten the knob. Well, everything locks securely into place. No sagging, no drifting. It comes with a clamp that's for all the phone. You can put it in. Okay. Let's take the vlog monitor, put it in. Okay, and I'm gonna show you right here. Just hold it in place. There you go. Now we have a vlog monitor stand. Everything locks securely into place. No sagging, no drifting. I put this kit through its paces in various scenarios, like I use this clamp for this vlog monitor on the side of my desk to hold it. It sits perfectly at eye level, freeing up my desk space for my keyboard and mouse. I've clamped a small LED panel to a door frame to create a rim light effect that would have required a cumbersome tripod otherwise. For overhead shots, while I would not mount a heavy cinema camera on it extended fully, it holds my phone or anything else like this vlog monitor with a perfectly steady for top-down drawing or unboxing videos. But here is the reality check. Is it perfect? Almost. The one learning curve is the weight distribution. Even though the arm is strong physically, physics still apply. If you extend the 22-inch arm to its horizontal limit with a heavy load, you will experience some drop if you haven't cranked the center screw down or the bottom screw down. It's not failing of the arm, but a reminder that this arm is still an articulated tool. If you are a photographer, vlogger, or streamer who is tired of tripping over tripod legs, the SmallRig Magic Arm and Crab Clamp Kit is a revelation. It effectively turns any pole, table edge, or shelf in your room into a mounting point. It's one of those rare purchases where you feel like You got your money's worth within the first 10 minutes of using it. It doesn't just hold your gear, it holds your creative vision in place, allowing you to focus on the content rather than the mechanics. My score is 4 out of 5. Every studio, whether professional or bedroom based, needs at least one of these in their kit. Just get the 22-inch version. You'll thank me for it later. Oh, block. Cool. Well, hope this helped. Catch you guys on the next one.